Do you know what's the most powerful skill in the world? It's not coding, not design, not even public speaking. It's memory. Imagine if you could remember every book you read, every lecture you attended, every idea you ever had. Sounds impossible, right? But in 2025, AI tools are becoming our second brain. Today, I'll show you the best AI memory tools that can literally remember everything for you, so you never forget again. Smart summaries of your class notes and meetings can turn long, messy content into clean action steps. Works like ChatGPT, but on your own data. Real-life example. You attend 5 online classes and have 100 pages of notes. Instead of revising all of them before exams, you just ask, Notion, tell me the key formulas from my physics notes. And within seconds, boom, your notes are ready. Self-organizing workspace. No need to tag manually. Works like your brain, links ideas together automatically. Super powerful for brainstorming and research. Real-life example. Let's say you're planning a startup idea. Instead of opening 10 different docs and sticky notes, just search startup inside mem.ai. It will show every thought, link, and research note you ever made about startups. Turns notes into a knowledge graph. Like a map of your thoughts, AI creates summaries and connections between your notes. You can query your notes in natural language. Real-life example. You're preparing for an interview. Instead of flipping through books, you just ask, what were my practice answers for HR questions last week? And Obsidian recalls your exact notes. Records everything on your screen. Meetings, browsing, chats. You can literally search your past life. What was the website I visited last Monday about AI tools? It shows you instantly. Think of it like a Google for your personal memory. Old but gold, now AI makes it smarter. Can summarize your saved web articles. Can act like a digital library that you query anytime. Minimalist note app with powerful AI recall. Great for journaling and daily thoughts. Helps you build a timeline of your brain. Cluely, always active AI window, keeps track of your context. Paratext AI helps you recall and organize research automatically. Enable tab switch, ultra viewer tools, great for quick switching, memory across multiple tasks. Here's the exciting part. Scientists call this cognitive offloading. That means shifting memory tasks to tools so your brain can focus on creativity and problem solving. In the near future, AI memory tools won't just remember for you, they'll predict what you need before you even ask. So the question is, are you ready to have a second brain? Personally, I believe these AI tools are not here to replace your brain, but to free it. Free it from remembering dates, notes, and clutter, so you can focus on ideas, innovation, and creativity. Tell me in the comments, which AI tool would you try first? Notion AI, mem.ai, or Obsidian? If you found this video useful, smash that like button, subscribe to AI Hustle Hub, and share it with your friends. Because the future belongs to those who can remember everything. And with AI, that future starts today.